Hey guys, today I'll be doing this hairstyle I saw online as usual. I get all my styles online and I'll be doing it with braiding hair color 33 and color 30. I'll mix two of them together. So basically the backstory behind this hairstyle is I saw it online. I saw some people call it chain braids and some other people call it 3D twist. So if you know the real name or if I'm correct, please let me know in the comment section below. So as usual, I'm using a full lace wig and I've already done some braids, so I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I'm using the bricklayer parts. What I mean by bricklayer parts is that each braid or each twist is going to fall in between two twists, just like in the video, just like so. So there are so many videos on YouTube on how to do this kind of parts, so you can watch those videos. And I'm just going to jump right in and show you guys how I achieved this 3D twist. So before I started braiding or started twisting, I tried so many styles and I decided to settle for the knotless style, which is what I'm going to do. So I part this into three pieces, 3 equal sizes, and then I start doing my knotless braiding, and which is knotless and feeding.
Magical for me, magical for you. For this Christmas, baby, all I want is you. All I want is that the year ends like it started. Nothing else matters.
Just in case you're wondering, I added 3 braids because if I do more than 3 it's going to be a bit bulky, and if I do less than 3 it's going to be unequal, if that makes sense. So I also want to say, as you braid, you should try your best to tuck in the hair, that is the hair on the full lace wig, so that your braids are neater. It's always more difficult tucking in hair when you are working with large parts, but try your best to tuck in as much as you can. And then what I do now is that I try to pin down one side, just as I'm doing in the video. I separate them and twist. When you start doing this for the first time, you're going to feel clumsy, or the hair is going to feel loose and you just won't feel in control of what you're doing. But by the time you do the first one, do the second one, yeah, you get the hang of it.
And when the moment comes to hold each other close, we're gonna see the sparks, just like a shooting star. Look back at where we were, now I'm so glad we're here. It took us all this time, but Christmas time is here.
On getting to the tip of the hair, always leave the ends loose, and I'll be showing you what to do with the ends much later on in the video. This is just me showing you more twists or more braids, because this is just like braids and twists. So you can always rewind or pause the video or slow it down to get what I'm doing, but I didn't want to make this video in real time so that the video doesn't become too long.
Year ends like it started. Nothing else matters. All I want is for this Christmas to be magical for me and you. Another year is gone, but baby, all I know is that I want you here under the mistletoe. We know that months flew by, now you're a part of me. You are my only wish under the Christmas tree. All I want is that the year has to be magical.
I'm done. This is halfway. I'm just admiring my work. God is good. Okay, so when I get to this stage, I like to, of course I'm going to complete the braids but still leave the ends loose. So I like to trim first because I noticed that it's harder to trim this hair once you have done the final step, which is making it into a 2D Q twist. So I would always advise you to trim it first before you start this step, which I'm about to start, and this is the final step. So it's pretty easy. This is just what it is, just wrapping the hair, and I think this is clockwise motion. So this is also how I'm going to seal the ends. So once I get to twist or wrap it and I'm satisfied, I'm going to split it. Now I'm going to have, like, let me say 4 legs. Let me use the word legs, and I'm going to swap the legs and then do normal twisting going anti-clockwise. So yes, that's it for the video, and that's basically how I make this hair. So I'm going to install the hair and show you guys what it looks like on my head.
Started.